Welcome back. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has hinted at providing financial assistance to mining dependents to waive off their loan liabilities. Chief Minister on Wednesday held a meeting with banks and discussed various options to assist barge, truck and machine owners to start their activities, considering that the Supreme Court will vacate its order of ban on mining. Government hopes that banks will prepare the proposal within a month to waive off their loan liabilities.
One of the options is to wait up to May, so that there is a favorable government. I don't know whether they take that option or not, but there is a favorable government, and then I can influence the central government's decision on this issue. And there is nothing wrong in it, because even now, when export is taking place, which is auction over, central government gets 30% revenue. Baka 10% मेळटा, तांकां 30% मेळटा. त्यामुळे some of this money they should give to the bank. That is what I am going to propose. And I hope, in fact, I am very sure that central government will be a supporting government, friendly government, by which you can liquidate the liabilities in a peaceful manner. Like, for example, waiving of the interest, waiving of part of the principal. In that case, government may step in to help the barge owners and machinery owners and truck owners to liquidate the balance component of the loan. They have agreed to work it out. So I expect it to come by next month, March and April.
Chief Minister further said that government will take the responsibilities of the loan amount of barge, truck and machine owners to resume their operations.
We take the responsibility of financing the initial kickstart amount. म्हणजे जातो ट्रक रस्त्यार येतलो पळय, ताका सुरवातीक कितें जे पयशे जाय 50,000 25,000 ते आमी फिक्स करून we will guarantee it to you. We will guarantee it to the bank. Let bank finance it. If it will be deducted from the trips and paid to the bank.
Government hopes that banks will prepare a rough proposal within 3 days, and which will help the government to take necessary measures in the budget. During last budget, government had announced a relief package for mining dependents. Till now, government has disbursed 29 crores through various schemes. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Devendra Gaukar for Prudent.
The High Court has directed Director General of Central Forensic Science Laboratory to find out technological compatibility of the system through which biometric data is being collected for issuance of Aadhaar card. High Court has issued this direction on the request from CBI in connection with Vasco schoolgirl rape case. CBI has obtained 3 fingerprints from the scene of crime to match with the biometric data bank of Unique Identification Authority of India.
During a hearing on Wednesday, CBI informed the High Court that they have no suspect on radar in connection with Vasco schoolgirl rape case. But CBI stated that they have 3 fingerprints obtained from the scene of crime, and they need assistance from Unique Identification Authority of India to match the fingerprints with biometric data collected for issuance of Aadhaar card, which may lead to cracking of the case. Petitioner Unique Identification Authority of India contended that the software which they are using for biometric data collection is not competent to give result on the basis of fingerprints provided by CBI. High Court has directed Director General of Central Forensic Science Laboratory to appoint an expert to find out technological compatibility of the system. High Court has also allowed UIDAI to appoint another expert from the site to assist in the process. Experts have to submit their findings before the High Court within 2 weeks. A minor schoolgirl was raped on 14th January 2013 inside school's toilet at Vasco. The case is unsolved till date. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
With new academic year just 3 to 4 months away, Chogale High Secondary's closure issue is still undecided. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar says it will be resolved by May. He said this after laying foundation stone of Government College of Commerce at Madgaon. Sharing the days with Parrikar, Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai demanded that government should come clear on Chogale issue.
जी क्लॅरिटी गरज आहा ते कॉलेजीचे कित्याक दर वर्सा आमी पळयतात की ती कॉलेज बंद जाता काय ना ती एक सॉर्ट ऑफ कोमान आशिल्ले भशेन आहा व्हेंटिलेटराचेर ती कॉलेज आहा अशी दिसती पडटा सगळे लोक चड करून साश्टीचे लोक मागतात आनी हांव हांगाचो आमदार म्हणून सांगूंक सोदतां की जे टायमार आमी एक नवे कॉलेज फाउंडेशन स्टोन घालतात तेन्ना गोंयचे ओल्डस्ट एज्युकेशनल इन्स्टिट्यूशन कॉमन आहा जे व्हेंटिलेटराचेर आसा ताजेर एक सोक्ष लावपाची गरज आहा.
But Parrikar says issue of Chogle management closing its higher secondary section will be resolved by May.
कॉलेज म्हणटा ती चौगुले हायर सेकंडरी ताजो प्रश्न आहा तो हांव सोडून दिता कितें करपाचें तें ताजेच कडेन बसून उलोवन आमी फुडल्या म्हयन्या 1.5 म्हयन्या भितर विशय मेळो करता.
Earlier, Chogle Education Society had filed an application before Education Department specifying its reasons behind the proposed closure of its higher secondary section. The High Court had ordered Directorate of Education to dispose of the application within a stipulated time. But till now, government is unclear on its stand on the issue. Reporter Pratik Parab for Prudent.
Secretary of Congress Sunil Kauthakar has complained before the Press Council of India against Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar for his anti-media remarks. Kauthakar in the complaint has termed these remarks as the black day for politician-press relationship. Sources say council may issue notice to the Chief Minister following this complaint.
एक चिंता सरत जाता निर्माण ती म्हणजे टीव्ही हो आमचो एक इन्फॉर्मेशनाचें सेंटर जाला. आतां जर कोणें ज्ञान ताजे बद्दल ते घेवपाक प्रयत्न केलो जाल्यार सिंपल गजाल लक्षांत अशी येता की टीव्हीर जी बातमी येता ती कोणें दिल्ली आसता ती एका रिपोर्टरान दिल्ली आसता कंट्री तो वतान ते घेता आनी ताजो कंपेरर आसता तो ती बातमी सांगता. रिपोर्टर जो आसता ताका कितले पगार मेळटा आसतलो 20,000 रुपया पगार मेळटा तो सांगणारो कंपेरराक 25,000 मेळटा आसतलो म्हणजे ते सादारणपणे बीकॉम किंवा ग्रॅज्युएट शिकले आसतले व्हडले थिंकर न्हय ते विचारवंत न्हय ते आपल्याक समजता जशी बातमी येता हांव ताका पळयतलो तो पळय भानगडीचो भाग आसा तो बाजूक काडटा पयशे घेवन दिणारे बातमी लोक आसा आनी त्यामुळे आपल्याक दिसता अशें ते बातमी छापतात.
These are Chief Minister's words. Following the statement by Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, Secretary of Congress Sunil Kauthakar has complained before the Press Council of India against the irresponsible and abusive comments made by Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar with respect to the journalist in the state.
We have today filed a complaint to the Press Council of India demanding the strongest and the strictest possible action on the Chief Minister of Goa, Mr. Manohar Parrikar, who has questioned the integrity, the salary, the qualification, the intellect of Goan reporters who are doing their lawful duty of reporting, thereby demoralizing the reporters. We have, as we had condemned, we have complained to the Press Council of India.
Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.